You could now basically automatically edit videos on TikTok using AutoSync. Let me show you how it works. Press the plus sign here and get access to your camera. And you do have to already have the videos on your phone here. So use your phone to record multiple video clips instead of this option, and then press the upload. And then on this page, pick the clips that you want to add here. So in this case, I'm just gonna add a couple of these clips here. Let's choose 3, and I'll press next on this page. And I just have my volume down here, but all you have to do here is you'll see this option called auto sync. If you go to default, this is how we used to have to edit our videos on TikTok. Now with sync sound, what's happening is when you choose a song here, it automatically edits to it, but you could adjust the clip. So let me press adjust clip. And you could see it basically edited the clips like this for me. But when I add a new clip here, let's say I added this clip as well, press confirm. Now I have 4 clips. I could press auto sync and it will resync this automatically to my video. And this will change every time you go back and you choose a different song. It will change the auto sync. So you could come back to adjust clips, press this option, and then press done, and it does a really good job. But if you want to make any changes, you could select any individual clip here and pick a different section as well yourself, and then press the check mark. You could also change the order. If you long hold on each one, you could change the order of them, and then you could also auto sync that way. Press done. And then when you're happy with your edit and everything looks good, just press the next option here and it's gonna process it and put it on the upload page for you. Here you could do the usual things, adding voiceover, filters, text, and then press next. And on this page, describe, hashtags, and then post it to your page. And it's that simple to use auto sync in TikTok. Please give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time.